What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I'm back with another Firo update. Thank you guys for your patience over this extensive period below $4. Of course, I'm going to tell you guys, as long as we're above $4, I will make the Firo videos. It's just when we were below it, it was very negative, because if we're losing this wick, which we did, it's basically telling us we're coming to this low, lose that low, we're coming to this low, and that's why all of these areas are drawn on for you. So once we came down here, if we got above this, which I gave you in the channel, just on the smaller time frames, I told you if we get above this, we're going to $4, get above $4, we're going to $5, and that's what we saw. Now, what was negative here is that we needed to come back and hold the red line as support. Now, of course, you're still above the wick, which is positive. It's just we're basically trapped between the bottom of the green box here and the top of the green box. So you're basically ranging within this. So you were above it, you were below it, you were above it, but you're just staying within it. Now we just need a weekly candle close above it. And if we're getting that, then we have to say we should come back to the $5 area. And that's a very good first step. Obviously, the first step is reclaiming $4, which at the moment we are doing. We know, of course, a weekly candle can close below it and it's negative again. But what we're doing right now is just we're hovering around this double bottom neckline, right? Now, I'm going to get you the target for the double bottom and see if it's already been met with that $5 thing. No, it hasn't. Okay, so you were on your way there, almost at the target. So we were saying $5, so that was the area to take profit at anyway, even though the target was a bit higher, because we're trading the levels. We're looking at the lows, because that's the key resistances. So that's a key resistance. That's a key resistance. That's why we're staying there, and that's why we got rejected there on multiple occasions. So once we are above $5, there's not a lot in the way. It will pump straight back up to $6.50. And then after reclaiming $6.50, back to these highs over here around $8, $9. So that's very good, of course. Obviously, the first step is done. Get above $4. Now we need to stay above it and get to $5 and get above that and stay above that. Once that's done, there's nothing to argue about with Firo. Do you know what I mean? But obviously, a lot of work still to do. It's just very good first steps that we're reclaiming this, and I'll show you why. If I put my low right there and I ignore that massive wick, and I'm just going to put it to the second highest wick right there, you can see that this is the 786 at $5. So this is why it's important to get above this, because when we lost the 618 right there, that's what sent us to the 1. And if we lose the 1 here, that's what's going to send us to this 1618 target. And that's why I told you, as long as we're below $4, there's no point, because now we're in a technical target to $2.30. But of course, just because it's the target, and this is what we should be looking at, doesn't necessarily mean it's going to go down there. We need to look at areas where there's significant key supports, key structure. And of course, if we're looking to the left of the 1618, there's just this wick, and the wick's not stopping exactly on it. Now, when we look at the 1414 and the 1.272, and we look to the left, they're lining up exactly with previous support and previous support here, and they're still being respected exactly as support right there. So I know that we obviously were getting a bounce here. To invalidate further downside, you need to reclaim the 1, and that's why I told you guys that $1 is the most important level, but then also the 786, because all you could be doing is coming to the 786, failing to hold the 1, and then continuing back down. And that's what we're sort of seeing, where we come up and then we actually close down here. So now it's important we hold this for the continuation up, otherwise we're gonna roll over again. And if we're rolling down to here, I would expect that we lose this low basically, and then roll over to this low. Maybe get a quick bounce and then continuation. So that's the scary scenario. Of course, we don't want that, but it could happen, okay? So that's why it's important we must stay above this. Of course, this low, because if we're losing this low, or even coming to it, I think we're going to lose it. So it's just so important now to break above this neckline, meet our technical target, fall back to the 786. Because as long as we're staying above the 1, the next target is actually the 618. And that's the 55 weekly EMA. We did have the weekly bearish cross. That is your bear market signal. Very negative, very, very negative. And you can see the first touch of the 55 was right here. And this is the candle low is right there. And if we go across that candle low, look where it is, that $5 key resistance. So that's why I'm telling you that once we are above this $5 and we can stay above it, this is going to be beautiful. But yeah, lots of stuff to do first. That's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys if you could share this video out, retweet my post on it if you can, because this is what's going to help the algorithm. We really need likes, we really need comments. This is what's going to boost the Firo videos, to get the video out to more people so that more people can become aware of Firo. Without you guys sharing it, only the same people will know about Firo. The Firo videos do not grow, so it's all about sharing the content, commenting on it and liking it, of course, because that's how YouTube knows that they should share this videos with other like-minded people like us. And maybe we do get an influx of more retail investors getting interested in Firo, and they will in turn bring more people. So it's so important to share the channel with everyone. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. And yeah, peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.